What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the problem when you can't install iOS 18 on your iPhone. If you've encountered problems while trying to install iOS 18, don't worry. There are multiple straightforward solutions you can try. Installing an iOS update requires a stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi since the update files are large. To verify your network, swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen to access the control center. Here, make sure Wi-Fi is enabled and connected to a stable network. Ensure all the 3 Wi-Fi signal bars are turned on. If you're still having trouble, try turning airplane mode on and off. Simply tap the airplane icon in the control center, wait a few seconds, and tap it again to reconnect. This can reset your network connections and resolve any minor connectivity issues. Next, check the battery level on your iPhone. iOS updates require your device to have at least 50% charge, as the update process is power intensive and could be interrupted if the battery runs low. If your iPhone is under 50%, plug it into a charger before attempting to reinstall the update again. Another thing to verify is the low power mode. This feature conserves battery life by reducing background activity and limiting some system functions, which could interfere with the update process. To make sure low power mode is off, go to Settings, and then Battery, and toggle off low power mode if it's on. Another common reason for update issues is insufficient storage space. iOS updates need enough room to download and install the new software, so if your device is running low on storage, this could be the problem. To verify your available storage, head to the Settings, tap on General, and then select iPhone Storage. Here, you will see a breakdown of how much space is being used by apps, media, and system files. If you find that your storage is low, consider deleting any unnecessary apps, photos, or large files you no longer need. Clearing out some space can often solve this issue and allow the update to proceed smoothly. If you've tried all of these steps and you're still unable to install iOS 18, a simple restart of your iPhone will terminate any software glitches that might be causing the problem. To restart your iPhone, press the volume up button, then press the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until you see the slide to power off screen. Drag the slider to the right to turn off your iPhone. Once it's completely shut down, press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears, indicating that the phone is powering back on. After restarting, try installing the update again. Finally, if none of the previous solutions work, you might need to reset all of your iPhone settings. This option resets all of your settings, such as a Wi-Fi password, wallpaper, and system preferences back to their defaults without deleting any of your personal data like apps, photos, or messages. To do this, head back to your settings, tap on General, scroll down and select Reset, and then choose Reset All Settings. Confirm your selection, and your phone will reset its settings while keeping your data intact. After this, attempt to install the update again and it should work. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.